Hello friends, welcome to Azure video tutorials, and today's session I am going to cover on Pyspark RDD transformations. There are a few transformations I have covered on previous session. It's like a mapper, map, filter, flat map, map partitions, union, intersection, distinct, group by key, and this session I am going to cover on joins. So those joins are specific to RDD only. And if you are going for other like data frames, again the joins usage is different, but the concept is same. So joins concept is same for any database or any language if you are choosing that. So here also same, the concept is same, but the usage is different. Maybe if you are using RDD, that syntax will be differ, and if you are using a data frame, the syntax may be differ. So this examples and session I'm only for RDD related joins. So there are 5 types of joins are available. This inner join you can call as a join. Okay, this join will join 2 RDDs and it will give the common matching data from both RDDs. That's called join, and it's like an inner join, or you can call as a join. And another one is a Leftouterjoin. So Leftouterjoin it will give the both common matching data as well as unmatched data from left RDD. Okay, and this all these joins, the data will be based on key values. Okay, so once you look at the example, then you will get more clarity. But understand this, join will give only matching data from both RDDs. Leftouterjoin will give both matching data as well as unmatched data from left table. Same thing for right table. So if you use a Rightouterjoin, it will give the matched data from both tables and unmatched data from right table. That's called Rightouterjoin. Fullouterjoin means matched data and unmatched data from both tables. You can say both RDDs. Okay, that both RDDs matched and unmatched data it will return. In Cartesian, it's a cross product. So Cartesian means it will do the cross join between 2 RDDs, and you can say multiplication. So each value from RDD A or RDD 1, it will be multiplied by RDD 2 values. That's called a Cartesian. So look at the example one by one how we can use this joins in RDD. So I'm creating a Spark contest. It's my local environment, so I have initialized a find Spark. Then I'm creating a Spark contest. So here I have written some examples. So once context is done, you can run this. So meanwhile you can understand this. I have a RDD X, and the values you can see key and values C, B, A, and another RDD called Y RDD. There the values are keys A, B, A, D. So here the common is A and B, and if you look at C is not there in another RDD, that's a Y RDD. Same here, D is there, it is not there in X RDD. Why? Because this example will show you matching data, unmatching data, all the examples. So related to joins, multiple types of joins. So if you use a join here, this is the way we can join RDDs, like RDD1 dot join of RDD2. So it is creating another RDD as a Z RDD. Then I'm going to run this. So I'm collecting all the values individual X RDD. This is the X RDD and Y RDD, and output of join both X and Y. So it is still running. So you should not get C, you should not get D. So that's called join. So it's an inner join, only matching data. Matching data means wherever the key values are matching, those values it should return. Unmatched data it should not return. So that is called join condition. Here if you look at this, directly B is coming. Why? Because C is not there in another RDD, that's why it is not coming. So B is having values 3 and 7. So 3 and 7. And A is having a 2, 8, so 2, 8, 2, 8, 2, 6, 2, 6, and another A is there, so 1, 8, 1, 6. So here D D is not there in A, like D is not there in XRDD, that's why it is not displaying, only match data it is displaying. So look at the another example called Rightouterjoin. So Rightouterjoin means matched data and unmatched data from RDD. So it's running, star means it's running. So you should get A, B and D, okay, and in C it should get null. Why? Because wherever you are using a Rightouterjoin, you will get both table, like both RDDs matched and right side. See here, B, A and another A, and D here I am getting. So it is so here you can see D only 5 we are getting, another one is none. Okay, so 5 means right side you will get, and 4 you won't get because 4 is not there here, D is not there here, right? So that's why only 5 you are getting. Same thing for Leftouterjoin. So Leftouterjoin means here you will get a C as well as matching, and D you won't get, okay, and C is not there in another RDD, that's why. So one value it will display, another value it will display as a none. So that's called Leftouterjoin. Staking still is running. So it is going full length screen, so I will remove all this. Reserve this values. So I'm looking for in a single line, so then you can get a clarity on this data, how it's look like. Same thing here also. Here you can see for the C, because we are using a Leftouterjoin, so left one you will get unmatched data, okay, and the C you are getting, and C is not there in right side, that's the right means YRDD, so that's why it is displaying as a none, and remaining matched you are getting. Then what about Fullouterjoin means Fullouterjoin matched and unmatched. So matched means AB you will get, unmatched means from here C, from here D, you should get both. So that's called matched and unmatched. And the final last one is a Cartesian. So this Cartesian is the values of both RDDs. It's like a multiplication of both. That's called a Cartesian. Run this one also. It is taking more time because I'm using my local system. See, now here you can see C, and here the last it is there, so it is falling in last. So if you see Cartesian C 4 and A8 Cartesian, like C4 A8, C4 B7, C4 A6, C4 D5, like this each value, like this C4 D5, so C4 D5, okay, till here. Same thing for B3 A8, B3 A7, B3 B7, B3 A6 and B3 D5, So like this B3 D5. So you will get all the values. Then A2 A8. Here you can see A2 A8, A2 B7, A2 B7. Same thing for A2 A6, A2 D5, A2 D5. Same thing for A1 A8, A1 A8, A1 B7, A1 B7, A1 A6, and A1 D5. So like this you will get all Cartesian products like a multiplication. So this is the way we can go for using. So here Fullouterjoin means both matched data and unmatched data from both RDDs you will get. So this another one it's missed. See here D is there and here also C is there, so both are coming. So actually this screen length, so I am dragging that. Okay, so this is the way we can go for using joins in RDD. So this is the way we can go for using joins. Just revise all the join types. So we have inner join, that's called a join, left outer join, right outer join, full outer join, and Cartesian. Inner join will display both RDD's matched data based on keys. Left outer join will display both matched and unmatched data from left RDD, and right outer join. So right outer join will display matched and unmatched data from right side RDD. Full outer join. So full outer join means both RDDs matched and unmatched. And Cartesian, it's like a multiplication. So each RDD value, like key value, it is multiplied by each another RDD, each value. So that's called Cartesian. So one RDD is having 5 values, another RDD is having 5 values. You will get 5 into 5, total 25 values you will get. So that's called Cartesian product. It's a multiplication. The remaining are direct values. So this is the way we can go for use joins in RDD. So thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe my channel to get more videos and updates on my channel. Thank you very much.